Good morning, YouTube. Oh yeah, that's where the magic happens. So if you're experiencing a loss with your stolen catalytic converter on just about any vehicle and you want it done the same day, chances are my shop, Meineke Cinnamon, can get it done for you the same day, if not the next day. So if you're in South Jersey, Philadelphia, I mean, I've had people come from New York and all over to get some specialty exhaust work done here. It's pretty simple. You can Google Meineke Cinnamon. You can call Rachel at 856-829-0501. You can inbox me. But your best bet is to contact Rachel, tell her what's going on. If it's still drivable, just bring it right over. If it's not, call ahead if you're having it towed. If you have full coverage insurance, you want to go through your insurance company, you want to contact Caliber Collision Maple Shade. Oh, guys do an excellent job, and I would rather it be done through your insurance, just in case the computer's shorted out, the wire harness is completely damaged, transmission sawed through. At least the insurance company will see that job through. My goal is to get your exhaust system quiet and back together and get you back on the road, and minor electrical work, replacing the oxygen sensors, if the oxygen sensor is even missing. And it doesn't matter how old your car is or how new your car is. We'll do our best to get it done for you the same day. Thanks for watching.